Wow! Fresh from the backyard garden. Orange and family fruits. Wow. Rich in vitamins, guys. So yummy, yummy. Bago ito, guys, pitas. So, I will wash this first. And then dry. And put in the fridge. Later, gawin ko ito yung isang pumili, guys. O, tingnan niyo guys. Ang laki ng pumili, guys. Oh. Wow. Wow, ang laki. Ang sarap nito, guys. Ang sarap. Very fresh dito, guys. Sa garden namin galing. Kinuha ng hardinero. My favorite. Have a nice day, everyone. Okay. Work muna naman tayo, guys. Hugasan ko muna ito. Tapos i-dry at saka ilagay sa fridge. Keep smiling lang tayo. Ganyan ang life ng buhay OFW. And be strong.